Machiegni kendo riwruog wakeini e kaunti ma Meru okwedo paro mar thich oko gavana Kawira Mwangaza e apisi nikech en miyo, ka bende gidwaro ni mondo buch gavanas kaachiel kod jotelo mamoko we donjore yiero mar jodak ma Meru. Wakeini go lero ni thicho gavana Mwangaza oko mar apisi kaachiel kod midhiero ma koro kale ok en nikech en ng'ama miyo, to en kaluwore kod koso lony matelo ne ji e yo makare. Gikwayo od bura mondo mi oket tenge weche mag kit chwech e sama giwuoyo e wi weche motudore kod Meru, nikech mano onge gi kinde, ok en kind weche manodonjne godo gavana Mwangaza.
That when we went to the ballot on the 9th of August, the year of 2022, we voted Kawira Mwangaza knowing she was one of us. We knew she was a woman by gender, and we supported her overwhelmingly because we knew that as a woman, she most sincerely understood the needs and the wishes of the Meru people. But the 1 year in office, Kawira Mwangaza has proven to be the face of impunity. Kawira Mwangaza has proven to be the face of corruption. Kawira Mwangaza has proven to be the face of discrimination. And Kawira Mwangaza has proven to be the face of disunity. And that is why together, we the women of Meru as a whole, today we support the impeachment of Kawira Mwangaza.
Yes. I want to beg, and with all respect, to beg our Senate. We understand we made a mistake. We believe in Kawira. Today we have realized we made a mistake. She's not the kind of a governor we expected to have. Please help us to correct that mistake which we made during the voting day. Meru needs a CEO who can manage sustainable development in Meru.